All right, everyone, the wait is over. It's time for NBBL Showcase. And I would like to welcome on stage Soham Sakalikar and Rajeshwari Jha, who will take over for the next session. Let's have a huge round of applause for both of them.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen, Fintech fanatics, digital dreamers, and payment pioneers. I, Soham,
And I, Rajeshwari.
are your hosts for today, which means we get to talk a lot, smile even more, and make sure all of us are on time, or at least pretend to. Today's showcase is packed with innovation, collaboration, and a few surprises. Buckle up because NBBL is about to take you on a ride through the future of payments. To set the tone for this exciting showcase, I'd now like to invite Mr. Sarath, Chief Technology Officer at NBBL, to deliver the opening note. Sarath, over to you.
Hey, good evening, everyone. Thanks for being here, and very excited to be here. Firstly, welcome to the showcase. In fact, actually, this is you guys showcasing what you're doing on the platform, and my privilege to be here. Thanks for giving me that opportunity. Bharat Connect is all about thinking platform first. Our ethos is about ensuring that we're building a platform for billers, to deliver better customer experience. But what works in this platform is all of you, our BOUs, our COUs, and the ecosystem platform partners. So thanks for enabling this and getting where we are. We're all very excited about where we are as an ecosystem, but we were also excited about where we can go in the next few years. So thanks for everything that you're doing. Just to introduce today's event, I think we're talking about our innovation program, Idea Spark. As part of that, some of the innovators have been doing an amazing work. We want to award you guys and appreciate the innovation that you're bringing to the table. Apart from that, there are some MOU exchanges that we're going to do with some of our partners. We also have a few announcements. And finally, we also want to award the TSPs who are doing such an amazing job understanding what we are as an ecosystem, our protocols, what we want to be able to achieve with security compliance. And they're enabling our ecosystem partners to be able to succeed. That will be the final listing today before we close with Noopur's closing statement. But thanks for being here. Thanks for being part of Bharat Connect. And welcome to today's event. Thank you.
Thank you, Sarath, for setting the tone for NBBL Showcase. Now, let's kick things off with a spark, the Idea Spark Felicitation, where we celebrate our brilliant partners that turn innovative ideas into impact. Please welcome Ms. Shweta Das Gupta, Head Product, BBPS. Shweta, if you could like to add a few words before we announce our winners.
Sure. Thanks, Soham. Thanks, Sarath, for setting the stage right. Good afternoon, everyone. And I think a lot of you met me during Idea Converge and Idea Spark related interactions. But I think some of you might not know, so I'll just give a quick introduction before jumping to the felicitations. I want to take a few minutes to share with you how we at NBBL are looking at co-creation. As you can see, I think the previous slide we mentioned, innovation by all. I think that's a tagline we want to stick to. And we launched Idea Converge with that as the core. And, the previous slide, please. Previous slide. Yeah, so we wanted to collaborate, ideate, create a prototype with the mentorship of wherever possible, internal leaders as well as external leaders, and finally take it to implementation. Alongside Idea Converge, where we gathered in a room in 3 cities of India, Mumbai, Delhi, and Bangalore, and we aligned on roadmap, exchanged some ideas, and also we shaped the vision of NBBL together with you. With the Converge, we also introduced Idea Spark, where we called out for the white papers, which would have ideas which you want to launch in future, which you want to build with us, and those entries got shortlisted, resulting into some 10 entries in the Idea Converge one, where we announced the shortlist. Some of those were worked, all of those were worked with our product managers who were working with your respective teams to take into an MVP level. and out of which the 5 which got finally selected, and those are the ones which we'll be felicitating today. So those ideas were from new categories. Next slide, yeah. So those white papers were received, and the ideas, previous slide please. New categories build existing categories revamp, or there were some platform product ideas. There were things that may not exactly associate with you, with us. Those were, say, empowering our billers, empowering our front ends, etc. So those are also a part of the felicitations today. So this is where we are today on this timeline, where the registrations opened on May 9th until last week. We got the MVPs, and the L2 shortlists are getting announced today. With that, I think today at GFF, we are proud to felicitate the level 2 shortlist and 5 partners whose ideas stood out for their creativity, feasibility, and impact will be felicitated. But this is not the end, because this is only MVP. I want all of you to work with us with taking it to launch, working with us in terms of taking it to production with other partners. I think that's the idea. And let's celebrate these 5 innovators and co-create the future of NBBL. Thank you.
Thank you, Shweta. We would like to welcome Mr. Sarad and Mr. Vadi from our technology team to felicitate our winners. Please join me in congratulating and welcoming on stage our 5 IdeaSpark Level 2 winners. And the first winner is Amazon Pay for their idea in EV recharge category. Amazon Pay team, if you could please share a brief on your idea.
Hi, I'm Srinivas Zindyala, Head of User Growth at Amazon Pay India. Today we are demoing the solution for one of EV charging's biggest pain points. So let me start with the problem. Customers find it very hard to discover EV stations whenever they are nearby at a particular location. They find it super challenging because they have just 1 or 2 brand apps. This causes range anxiety for them. So we've created this solution where station finding can be done in a much more seamless manner, where all the stations can be listed at one place, and customer can simply, you can just play the video. So simply navigate station finder solution, click on the station finder, select the station of your choice because all stations can be found here. Customer can just search their favorite station and then click on that particular station. They can get the descriptions and the directions for that station. They can click on the directions and then they can be simply navigated to the station of their particular choice using Google Maps. This solves for discovery, this solves for availability, and significantly reduces the range anxiety. And I hope this can create a lot of digitization impact among the EV charging users. So wanted to thank NBBL team for giving us this opportunity, and congrats to all the team who has worked on this product.
Thank you, Amazon Pay team. Next, I would like to invite IDFC First Bank for their idea, consolidation of bills. Vadi sir and Sarad sir, if you could please felicitate. IDFC First Bank team, if you could please share a brief of your idea.
Hi, good evening. My name is Abhishek. What we have tried to solve for here is basically a problem or something that we have, seen during our times. We've all lived through a time where we first used to input the, website details, then came the Google, and then came the GPT. So all this while, we've seen nothing but an optimization happening in a most seamless way. So this idea is basically to consolidate all your bills at one place. We can give any UI, any customer experience that we want for our users. And I'll request Deepak to, take it on from here. Thank you.
Yeah, so basically what I'm just adding what Abhishek said. So it is basically derived from Bharat Connect as well as IDFC First Bank's theme. That is Bharat Connect, which name suggests Bharat, connecting Bharat, right? So when we are saying connecting, we need to connect each and every bill. So for customer. And IDFC First Bank theme is customer first, customer always first, right? So we are actually bringing a customer's convenience here through our app, wherein we are collecting all the bills, showing it to the customer in one app, and then he can just simply pay the bills. That is the idea behind it. Thank you.
Thank you so much. I think we have just started. We have to take it to live. And I think this is just the MVP. So we would need all the partners to work on these ideas to take it to production.
Of course, it is a prototype model, and we are soon launching this. Thank you. Yeah. Video.
Just play one more time, I think, yeah.
Yeah. So if you can see, customer is putting his mobile number, authentication done. Basis the mobile number, all bills will be fetched. Customer can now choose the bills he want to actually fetch. Earlier it was not fetching, right? Now the bill fetch is done. Customer combined all the bills and he can pay. And last word, so the name bill basket comes from, of course, Bharat Bill Payment, that is BB, Bill Basket. That is the name. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Can we have a huge round of applause for our next winners, Pluto's One, for their idea, Fast Track Biller Onboarding and Gen AI UI Framework.
We have strategically put our technology leaders on stage because we'll need their help to take it to production. So they'll be the one building with the partners.
Pluto's One team, if you could please share a brief of your idea.
We do it along with the video, so just to take kind of optimize the time. We play the video, and on the video, maybe the team can explain.
Okay, so every offline biller is unique in their own way, and putting an offline biller on the system involves a lot of manual labor to map error codes, validations, and it can take a lot of effort. So what we've done here is to create a system where a user can fill a pre-populated form, and they can actually create an output where it maps to the set codes on the NBBL platform, and it's a no-code platform, and what we get as an output is an integration of that offline biller, and the biller is left with an ERP where they can actually add their users, delete the users, and manage them from one place, and now they have an ERP where they didn't before. So that's what we've done for the offline billers.
Thank you, Shweta, and IDFC team for creating this and supporting us for this.
Okay.
For AI is the biggest problem to get screens approved. And we have solved that issue through our AI-based solution, thanks to Shweta, Bharat, and NBBL team. So we are ready to give this software to everyone who wants to get screens approved at NBBL. Before you can check everything, before that your screens are all as per the guidelines by NPCI. This will solve at least months. So please come and use this product.
Thank you, sir. Next award goes to ISG for their idea, update MCMC card balance. Can we please have the ISG team on stage, please? Can we all please have a huge round of applause? Team, if you could please share a brief on your idea.
So, I had attended one presentation by NBBL wherein they said that they have onboarded NCMC as a biller on their platform, but once the customer loads money in the online wallet for bringing that balance on the offline chip of the card, NCMC card, he has to approach a kiosk. We said that why? We have an SDK which we can integrate in the customer app, and he can simply tap the card on the Android, NFC-enabled Android mobile phone, and he can write that balance on the offline wallet of the card. So that's the innovation we brought in.
Play the video, please. The same video without the audio.
And the idea is, you would have noticed if you have an NCMC card, just 1 minute. If you have an NCMC card, it has an offline wallet. You approach a metro station and you're not aware whether the balance is there in the card or not. You tap the card on the phone. If you don't have the balance, the gate will not open. So you will run helter-skelter. You will run for a kiosk where you can load money or a metro window. So we said you can, while approaching a metro gate at leisure, you can tap the card on the Android mobile phone, know the balance. If the balance is insufficient, you can load money in the card. The older card, so the newer cards have the service already created, so you need to activate this NCMC service. So we also bring in the service creation feature as part of this application. So we are already live with this NCMC SDK with one of the apps, and now it's open for other partners to integrate. Thank you.
Shall we play the video, sir? You want to? Just play the video, sir. We'll run through. Yeah.
So this is the balance. You can know the balance. And you can first recharge in the online wallet. You can load money in the online wallet, which will be OTP based. Now update card balance to fetch that balance from the online wallet and write it in the card. So you tap the card and the balance is written, topped up in the card itself. That's it. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ISG team. And now the final award goes to OneStack for their idea innovation for offline partners. Can we all have a huge round of applause, please? One Stack team, if you could please share a brief for your idea.
Yeah, hi everyone. So we are in a very different segment. We work with cooperative banks. We work in tier 1, tier 2 towns and take BBPS to these cooperative banks and to the audience which actually is not still used to bill payments. So our idea is to actually do assisted bill payments to this audience where not only the app, they can actually get the notification of making that payment through a sound box. So if you can just play the video, it'll be very, very clear.
Video is not there?
It seems video was not shared, some glitch there. Maybe you could explain, maybe. Yeah.
Yeah, the explanation has been given by Vishal.
So
Yeah.
it's very simple. Typically in our area, the biller actually goes to a bank or the CSC center to make the bill payment, and the banker actually makes the bill payment. In this case, what we are basically suggesting is when the bill is paid, the notification actually comes through a sound box at the CSC center or the banker so that the biller knows that the bill has been paid.
And that too, it is in 16 regional languages. 16 regional languages. Thank you, One Stack team. Thank you, Vadi, and thank you, Sarad, for being here. Thank you so much. All right, so we now move to something that's going to make recurring payments feel less like a hassle and more like a magic. If you have ever forgotten a recurring bill or you have forgotten a payment and blamed it on the universe, well, universe just got an upgrade. Introducing the NBBL Nash mandate platform, right? So let me invite Shweta Das Gupta to share her views on it.
Thanks, everyone. So this is about a reveal that we want to do today. We are thrilled to introduce a solution that empowers customers to effectively and effortlessly pay, set up the mandate, manage and modify the mandates through a single intuitive platform. This isn't just a product enhancement, it's a leap forward in simplifying the recurring payments for the customers. This elevates the user experience, ease and transparency, driving ecosystem-wide efficiency for all stakeholders. Let's go through a short video to understand it better across mandate management as well as mandate creation. So recurring bill payments are a need across categories, yet people often don't know how do I track or modify my mandate. So with this solution, management of mandate, which is seeing all recurring mandates that you have set up, seeing the transactions that you have made through these mandates, or modifying the mandates is easy. You can also create the mandate easily compared to how it is being done today. Whether it's through scan of a QR, which is sent by the biller to the customer for setting up of mandate, or through fetch of the mandate from the biller. If I may request people to kind of maintain a bit of silence. Billers can send the link to the customer for opening, and then the next screen, the biller sent mandate details will be shown on the screen. The biller can remind the customer to set up the mandate, and the links don't get expired. There will be reminders that the biller can send, and the customer won't miss another bill. We are excited to bring this to life soon. Phase 1, we'll be powering Nash mandates, and we are really working closely with the Nash team, who's in this room currently, and Sampath and the Nash team, if you could join on stage. And this is the team which will work with the partners. Kriti, if you could announce the name of the partners who are working on this. We are not felicitating because it's still work in progress, but we want to really recognize the names who are working on the pilot, and more partners are invited to participate in this.
We're very keen to partner with IndusInd Bank, Setu, Axis Bank, and of course our biller Bajaj Finance, who's going to lead the pack here. and they are going to lead, we are going to work together with them to create this seamless experience. Of course, we are thanking the entire NACH team because they are the ones helping us drive this solution, create this solution. And we are really thankful to them. And we really want all our partners, the other ones as well, to come forward and be a part of this revolution, which is going to change our overall tracking and payment systems that we all are currently facing. So thank you. Sandeep, Teja, please come on stage once. Yeah. Nupur, are you around? Yes, please. Please, please. Thank you.
So my team has a way of putting me on spot. But I genuinely believe that all the mandates can very, very seamlessly flow through us, be seen through us, and be taken care of by us. And that's what we are working towards. NASH is just a start, and a very solid start, because a lot of mandates today are NASH-based, but tomorrow we will ensure to bring in more such mandates on the platform. And for that, I just wanted to thank all our partners who've taken the leap of faith with us, and of course, the NASH team, which actually worked very hard over the last 1 month to bring this to life. Thank you very much.
Nupur ma'am, I request you to stay on stage for the next segment. Now let's talk about partnerships that paved the way. We are proud to present the MOU signing for road tax category on BBPS, a move that makes paying tax for vehicles as easy as driving it. I'd like to welcome Mr. Chinmay Pol, Head Bank Alliance, to accept the MOU along with Nupur ma'am. I'd like to welcome Ms. Nalini Nautiyal, Senior Director, IT, and Mr. Rana Pratap, Senior Director, IT, from National Informatics Center on stage for this milestone moment. Nupur ma'am and Chinmay, if you could please accept the MOU from Nalini ma'am and Rana Pratap sir. Nalini ma'am and Rana Pratap sir, your vision and leadership have played a vital role in bringing us to this important milestone. If you could please add a few words.
So we are very happy that this initiative will work out with Bharat Pay. And when we make payments through our portal, we have to follow certain framework, which may not be very convenient for the users. But when it comes to Bharat Pay, I'm sure that people will be very happy to use it. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Actually, e-challan payment actually was a great challenge for all the offenders or citizens. But after onboarding on BBPS or now NBBL, right? So actually, I expect ki it would be actually a revolution. Actually, the payments would be greatly enhanced, and citizens would be facilitated with such a having such a platform. So I wish all the great success.
Thank you very much, sir. I just wanted to share a small story. The other day, I was driving somewhere, and I got caught by a traffic policeman. And I thought he will charge me for something. But when he stopped me, he ended up showing me 4 challans that were due against my car. And then he said, decide which one you want to pay. So he was a very kind-hearted policeman. But I'm hoping that after your letter, sir, authorizing every state transport to come on board BBPS, our things and our challan paying will be different going forward. Thank you so much. Thanks for this, please. A small token of appreciation from our side. Sir, ma'am.
Thank you, Nalini ma'am. Thank you, Rana sir. I would request Nupur and Chinmay to please stay on the stage. I would also like to call Mr. Amit Tyagi, Head Fintech, on the stage, please. So from highways to hallways, our next partnership is all about empowering students and parents. Because if there's one thing more stressful than exams, it's paying the fees on time. To ease that burden, we are proud to be entering into MOUs with our partners, ERPs, and some reputed institutions, bringing smoother payment experiences to the students and parents alike. Let's welcome our partners to the stage and celebrate this step towards the digital empowerment in education. So first, I would like to call Ankur sir and Ms. Tanya from Pine Labs to join us on the stage. So I think, Ankur sir, if you want to share something.
Good evening, everyone. Great to be here at GFF, and specifically very excited to be at the Bharat Connect launch today here. In fact, a couple of very interesting things that we wanted to talk about today, including that how Bharat Connect is helping us manage payments, make them very seamless, make them faster across India, whether it is EV recharges, whether it is school fee payments, whether it is loan repayments or NCMC card top-ups. I mean, there is this entire discussion that we have with Nupur and Amit where we say that you guys need to market yourselves better in terms of how much you have made the life easy for almost all of us on a day-to-day basis. And that's truly a reflection of what these guys are building today. So a big round of applause for them. We at Pine Labs are committed to making payments seamless, whether it is for our offline merchants, whether for online merchants, or for our billers when it comes to recurring payments use cases. In fact, today is a very special evening for us because what we are planning to do today is we are doing a very interesting MOU exchange between us, which is Pine Labs, between the NBBL leadership with Nupur, Amit, everyone here, Chinmay, and with Mr. Dheeraj Jawar from IIIT Kolkata, who was kind enough to come and work with us. The interesting thing, Mr. Dheeraj, please do join us on stage. Please come.
So please join us on stage.
The reason why this becomes a very historic day for us, and in fact, thank you, Mr. Dheeraj, for traveling all the way from Kolkata to be here and helping us get this entire education fee payments kicked off onto NBBL, is because this is one of the first institutes to help us and be the pioneer in terms of accepting payments through NBBL, which will ensure that we continue onboarding more and more such institutes, ensure that more and more use cases, schools, colleges, find it easier when you are trying to make fee payments for your kids' educations and otherwise. So thanks a lot to be here, and thank you, Nupur and Tanya. I would definitely request you guys to hand over and exchange the MOU. Please come. You come there. Thank you so much. I would also request, please hold on. I'd request all of you to say a line about how important this collaboration is for us, for the industry as well. Nupur, maybe starting with you.
We are, because collaboration is.
No, as Ankur said, we're very proud to be a part of this initiative and making education fees truly seamless, accessible to millions of students, and make it as simple as paying an electricity bill. So thank you, Nupur, the NBBL team, and to you, sir, for your collaboration, and really look forward to scaling this to as many schools and colleges as possible.
Nupur, if I can request you to just hand over a small token of our appreciation to sir, and then, yeah.
Thank you. Thank you, Pang Lives team and Dheeraj sir.
We are not letting you go away so easy, Tanya. Ankur, yeah. Yeah. Thank you, Tanya. Thank you, Ankur. We know the trick by now.
Thank you, Pine Labs team.
Thank you. Thanks, Ankur.
So next I would like to call Mr. Amit Kumar from East Bus to please join us on the stage. So I would like to call the team from Parul University to join us on the stage. It's a proud moment for us that they are joining NBBL. We go ahead with the MOU part here. A round of applause, please. So, thank you, Parul University team. I would like Amit Kumar sir to please stay on the stage. As we have the next, that is the Symbiosis team. Can we have the Symbiosis team on the stage as well? Okay, perfect. So, on the next part, with Eastbus, we also have Symbiosis University joining the NBBL family. So, I think we'll start with the MOU part, yeah. Round of applause, please. As you all are aware, we are reshaping this education category, and this is the first step towards it. So I think, thank you, Eastbus and Symbiosis for that part. Thank you, thank you. I request Nupur to felicitate further. Thank you, Amit. Sure. So,
yeah, just wanted to talk about the initiative. Thank you, NBBL team, for supporting us in this initiative. At Eastbus, we want to solve the larger problems around not just payments. The collection journey was broken. What we noticed in the education domain, that half of the, and most of the education institutes were struggling with non-digitization, informal appearances. So where we have come in and we have given them kind of a end-to-end journey with our solutions, which is embedded with a lot of functions which is coming from NPCI and the blessings of RBI is behind. And we have currently empowering more than 15,000 college universities in this country with all of their needs, like end-to-end admission automation with fees collections automation. Now, when with this DPI behind, what we see, we will be having larger impact with this product. We have fees portal, and we can, we can bring in larger inclusivity in this country. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you, Amit sir. Next, I would like to request Sai Lakshmi and team from IDFC Bank to please join us on the stage. I would also like to call Saurav Vyas from Study Base to join us on the stage. Saurav Vyas sir from Study Base. Study Base is an ERP who is joining the NBBL in the education category. Round of applause, please. Thank you. I would request the IDFC team to be on the stage. Next, we have the team from iWeb Techno. Can they join on the stage? iWeb Techno is also joining the education category in NBBL. A round of applause, please. Thank you, thank you. Thank you, IDFC team. Thank you, iWeb Techno team.
I think we've heard it takes a village to raise the children. So very similar to that, if you have to make changes happen in the ecosystem, it's very important for us to collaborate and not just compete at all times. The collaboration is extremely key. And as we go about reshaping payments in India, and that too for a critical segment like education, I think it's a superb time and place to do such partnerships and make a difference. And thank you so much, Nupur, for the opportunity to work with you and to our partners. Thanks, Atan.
Now moving on to the segment that everyone has been waiting for, the TSP Awards. I'd like to welcome my colleague Shalu on stage to take it forward.
Thank you so much, Soham. Good evening, everyone. Today, we celebrate the tech wizards of our ecosystem, those who make our platforms function at different partners' end. They are the silent enablers who ensure that things work perfectly. A community of dedicated developers, our technology service provider. They have powered seamless payment solutions, built smarter products, and driven NBBL's innovation journey. Today is our opportunity to recognize these unsung heroes through our awards. May I request Mr. Sharath and Mr. Wadi, who leads our technology function at NBBL, to join Nupur ma'am on stage to give away these awards. Our first award of the evening goes to a partner who has not only ensured a smooth implementation of NBBL platform at multiple OUs, but also built advanced settlement solutions for smoother operation at NBBL. The Diversification Driver Award goes to MindGate. I would like to call Mr. George Sam and Mr. Guhan M to receive the award. A big round of applause, please. Next, the Ecosystem Change Catalyst Award celebrates innovation and speed. This partner redefined agility by taking an OU live in record time and scaling new categories with remarkable collaboration. They have also played a critical role in a lot of GFF launches for this edition, including FX Retail. The award for Ecosystem Change Catalyst goes to Setu. I would like to call Mr. Anand Rai Singhani and Mr. Ram Kumar Trimurti on stage. I don't know. Mike?
I cannot let Setu team leave the stage without sharing with all of you that when I took this role 4 years back, the first call I got was from Setu. And that day and today, where we are formally recognizing you, there's been a constant support. They've really been the anchors behind every product that we have run, everything that we have done, and a lot more actually. In fact, afternoon today, we launched FX Retail only with 2 apps. And one of the apps and a couple of banks were powered by Setu. So every launch that we go to the market with, they have been one of our first partners. And for that, I'm deeply, deeply grateful. Thank you very much for that. Thanks, Anand.
Thank you.
You want to say something?
All right, I think it's only fair that, yeah, please come on. Come, Nikhil. So that's our... Yeah, so look, I just want to reciprocate the warmth with which you felicitated the entire team up on stage here. I think we take great pride in this partnership that we forged with you. I don't think nation building is easy. I think it's a path that you've chosen for the betterment of everything that we do in India. And yeah, in some small way, we feel privileged that we can play our own role here. But having said that, great job, and thank you again for everything that you allow us to do. Thank you.
We'll take one more photograph now that you're on stage.
Sure. Thank you.
Sarat, please come. Yeah, thank you.
Now, on to our third category, the growth catalyst. It recognizes a partner who has driven large-scale adoption across banks and fintechs through constant collaboration and innovation. The award for growth catalyst goes to none other than DigiLedge. I would like to request Mr. Mahesh Govind, Ms. Kripali Shah, and Mr. Noman to come on stage to receive the award. May we have a big round of applause for DigiLedge? Our fourth award of the evening honors a long-standing partner who has been with us through every milestone, ensuring reliability, compliance, and seamless integration across 25 plus banks. The award for platform veteran goes to none other than BillDesk. I would like to call Mr. Nishant Agarwal on stage to receive the award. Shantanu and Bikram from BillDesk. Guys, can we have a big round of applause for BillDesk? And finally, a glimpse into the future. The Rising Star Award goes to a new age partner who has made incredible progress in just 1 year of getting impaneled with us. It has already started powering multiple banks and fintechs. The Rising Star Award goes to none other than Plutus One. I would like to call Mr. Rohit Mahajan and Mr. Rajat Gulati on stage.
January 1st this year, first OU, IDFC, gone live. And thank you, IDFC. Today, September 9th month, we were live with 6 OUs. And October, it is 8 OUs. And 10 more coming.
Now we know why you've got this award. Thank you very much. Thanks, the Plutus team. Thanks.
A big congratulations to all our winners and heartfelt thanks to every TSP partner for making NBBL stronger and more innovative every day. With that, I would like to hand it back to Rajeshwari. Thank you so much, everyone.
Thank you, Sarat. Thank you, Vadi. Nupur, can you please stay on the stage? Yeah. So now to close this showcase with vision and purpose, I request Nupur Chaturvedi to please deliver the closing note.
Thank you. And I know I'm standing between you all and the party, which is outside of GFF, so I won't take much time. The entire last 40 minutes that we've spent together is a testament to how many partners believe in us, how many partners are willing to work with us and are indeed growing with us. So for that, I want to sincerely thank each and every partner who has decided to join us and has really supported us to ideate, innovate, and make the infrastructure really strong. Really heartfelt gratitude to everyone who's contributed. I just wanted to also take a few seconds to call out a team which usually does not get recognition, which is my own team of technology, product, operations, as well as BD. So can I request for one huge round of applause for the NBBL team? This is really, the set of folks who believed in the vision and decided to join us to build for the country. And for that, I'm immensely grateful. Since morning, I've been hearing how great my team is. I don't want to spoil them by telling them after this that they're great. But at least today, I want to take the opportunity to call out all the hard work that they put in day in and day out. Thank you very much. Thanks all of you. Have a great evening.
Thank you, ma'am, for your words. Thank you all for being part of this incredible showcase. Let's continue to innovate and collaborate. Enjoy the rest of the Global FinTech Fest 2025. And remember, the future of payments begins with innovation by all. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Rajeshwari.